can't believe it's been 1.5 years since my last upload, and I have been really busy with hobbies, ferrying my kids to school, all growing up. Yeah, but I am still around, and I hope all of you have been well. A couple of days ago, I picked up this MFD32. It's a multifunctional display from Canchecked. Recently acquired a Toyota GR Yaris, because you know what they say, if you want reliability, buy a Toyota and just drive it until the wheels fall off. So I decided to get a Toyota. Anyway, the GR Yaris, if for those of you who are not familiar, it is a WRC homologated version of the Yaris or something like that. But it's a very nifty little car, and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that I've done. Yes, I uploaded a short a couple of days ago, very quick snippet, like 15 seconds or something. But today's video is a combination of what I have done so far on this MFD32, which I would like to share with all of you. Alright, as you can see here, this is the stock display of the GR Yaris, and in place of the aircon vent, this is where the MFD32 sits. Everything is very nice and functional, and you have no idea how many times I've removed this aircon vent. Multiple times plugging this into my laptop, plugging it out of my laptop, removing the SD card inside. And a little bit more about the GR Yaris. It has a HUD display as well. So straight up, these are the regular kind of analog dials that you see in a car. But right here, finally, I've managed to do this.
Parking mode on. Parking mode
so I've just started the car,
Parking mode on.
and yes, I've got the animation done up. Thanks to a very good Facebook community that you can find. And if you guys are interested, I am zipping my entire file directory for you guys to download. So these are the gauges that you will not otherwise see straight away from here. But over here, you've got your boost control, you've got your intake temperature, you've got your gearbox temperature, you've got your water temperature, you've got your oil temperature, you've got your GR logos, and you've got your rev meter. Okay, and right in the middle here is the speedometer. That's right, all in one, to complement the existing dashboard that you already have. Anyway, the MFD displays are available for most brands and models. If you want to be very sure, just go to canchecked.de and look up their product listing. You would find a suitable model for your car. And if you reside in Singapore and you don't want to tinker around like me, save yourself some headache, you could actually check out Glad Auto Kit and perhaps let them know if a model is available for your car. Anyway, overall, I think that the MFD32S is a great addition. You know, back in the day, you know, you have all these fancy DEFI meters that would just pop up on your display, but I wanted something that will be very nice and clean, and it's not going to be, you know, sitting on top of my dashboard. So that's the reason why I opted for this, and in my honest opinion, I think it's a great addition to my GR Yaris. If you guys have any questions about how you're going to transfer your files over to your SD card so you can retain the animation, the GR logos, it's a very simple copy and paste. But if you have questions, drop them down below and I'll do my best to answer. And hopefully soon I'm going to be uploading more videos. See you soon. Bye.